Okay, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share one of my newest project, and it's actually a hackathon from Redis. So this is the Redis status page. Basically, this is a status page like a Github Status Page or Azure Status Page where you can monitor your web APIs or web services for its uptime and also latency. So it's pretty basic. You have the some dashboards, some charts, and also a history of past incidents. When was the last time your service is up and down, for how long, and when it was happened. So this is actually the second version. I have created the first version and the second version. The difference is the how I store the data, but the UI is pretty much the same. So let's see how we can run this application. So you can just visit my repository. You need to clone the repository and make sure you have .NET 6 installed or Visual Studio. And in this sample, I will use Visual Studio. I already cloned the repository, and the first thing you have to do when cloning this repo is to open the app settings.json and also the launch settings.json. Here you have to change some configuration. For first thing is the Discord webhook URI. Actually, you don't have to do this if you don't want the Discord notification function, but for this example, I will use this channel to receive the updates from my webhooks. So here I copied the webhook URL and I paste it here. And also don't forget to run your local or use the Redis cloud service. Here I'm using the Docker version. So yeah, I have running Docker stack now, and I set it to localhost. And the second thing is open the app settings.json and add your services here. This is where you want to monitor your web applications. For example, I have this Grafana and also Prometheus to monitor. You can leave the service name. For example, Prometheus, and test method is HTTP. You can also use TCP, but in this example, I will use the HTTP and also the host. Here I have it running on my Raspberry Pi. So here's the host name, and after you change these two configuration, you basically done with configuring the application itself. So now it's time to run the app. But if you want to use also the Discord, I will open a separate Win terminal. Okay, .NET run. Okay, it says server started, and now I will start the web page. So okay, now it's running and it's listening on port. Let's open it in our browser. Okay, here as you can see we have two services, Grafana and Prometheus. You can also change the theme here. When you click the statistics, it will show how many services are ready and how many are reachable and the uptime. Okay, sometimes the graph doesn't show, I don't know why. Yeah, I will turn off the dark mode. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the graph of the latency in milliseconds, and this is the past incidents though. So imagine one day one of the containers broke down, it just stopped working, and to simulate that I will open my SSH. Okay, now as you can see here, I have three containers, the Grafana and Prometheus and cAdvisor. For example, I will stop the Grafana. Okay, as you can see, it's stopped now. When we refresh the page, it will say system is partially down, Grafana is unreachable. When we see the statistics, it will say unreachable, and we have a spike in latency. Grafana has a latency of 2100 milliseconds, so it basically timed out, and we cannot reach it. And when we see the past incidents, it will say service is down. And also when we see the Discord, it will say Grafana has changed to reported. And when we start it again, it will take some time. In this example, I set it to 5 seconds. So let's say health change to resolve. So how do I do that? So basically, I just set up a Redis pops up. If I see it here, pops up, press subscribe. Okay, so when I turn off the containers, and it will send pops up events from the Blazor server to the console application. This way, as you can see here, I can decouple the notification service and also the main web server that do the periodic check and also the host the website itself. So we can add more notification services, or maybe integrate more service like Telegram or WhatsApp or anything in the separate location. So yeah, it's a good thing to separate your application, so to make it loosely coupled. So when we also refresh this, it will set it resolve. It's now done again because we stop it again. Okay, let's start it one more time. Okay, now it should be up. No, it's up again. So also when we open the browser, as we can see here, we have pretty nice looking Redis keys. I use set, hash, string, and also a lot of lists to store the telemetry functions. And also this is the automatically generated key from Redis OM, so I cannot control the key here, but it's just pretty nice. The Redis OM will manage the data storage and retrieval, so yeah, I cannot complain about that. So yeah, basically this is the how the application works and how it stores the data, and also some of the functionality here. Yeah, I think that's all. Thank you.